Welcome to my channel. Is Budget Wi-Fi 7 worth it? NETGEAR Orbi 370, RBE370, tested. Step 1. Unbox everything. Pull the base router and satellite out. There are no complicated cables, just power adapters and one Ethernet. Step 2. Pick the best spot. Router goes somewhere open like middle of the home. No hiding behind a TV or inside a cabinet. The satellite gets a spot halfway toward the rooms which always complain about slow Wi-Fi. Step 3. Plug it all in. Power on, then wait for those lights to settle. Not rushing anything. Let the system breathe a bit while it fully boots up. Step 4. Use the Orbi app. Grab the phone. Scan the QR code. App walks through everything. No typing weird passwords printed in tiny fonts. Setup takes like 5 minutes tops. Step 5. Wi-Fi name setup. Pick a name that makes sense. Rename the SSID to secure it. Step 6. Connect all devices. Phones, laptops, TVs, game consoles. Dump them all onto the new Wi-Fi. The app will show connected devices. Very satisfying watching the old network fades away. Step 7. Run speed tests nearby. Close to the router, speeds hit crazy high numbers. Wi-Fi 7 extending the network. Streaming and downloads? Smooth. Step 8. Walk to the troublemaker room. You know that one corner bedroom or balcony where Wi-Fi usually dies. Here is the real test. With the satellite in place, connection still holds steady. No buffering wheel of doom. Step 9. Multi-device check. Housemates join Zoom, someone watches 4K YouTube, and someone else fires up a game. No fights over bandwidth. Everything keeps up without hassle. Step 10. Final decision. The Orbi 370 packs the speed upgrade most homes need without spending the price of a full premium mesh system. It is not the peak of Wi-Fi 7 power, but for the cost, it wins. Thanks for watching.